Most people never start a business because they think they need thousands and thousands of dollars. And the truth is, most of the profitable business today can be started with almost no money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I will do it if I had to start from scratch. So stay with me. So for who don't know me, my name is Al with AGP, and we help people rebuild financially through business, tax, and credit. With that being said, one of the biggest thing that I learned being in this game is what's stopping people is not money, it's confusion. And they just want to be in the comfort zone. With that being said, if I had no money today, I will not start with inventory. I will not buy a product. I will start a service, something that solve a problem. For example, credit repair, tax, helping, cleaning, social media management, and marketing, pressure washer, car detailing, something that people already need service, because a business that got a service can generate fast cash without needing a warehouse, employees, or this is the important one, a huge investment. So with that being said, the next thing that I will take step of do my business is make it legitimately immediately, make it under the state. So you get your LLC, you open your business account, you get your business phone number, email, and you make a social media account. A lot of people stay stuck because they're a threat to their business like a side hustle instead of a real company. They don't treat their business like a real company, they just put it on the side. And right now with social media is the greatest and fastest marketing in history. So one viral video can change a lot, and that's why I take advantage of it. And you don't even need expensive marketing, or you don't even need crazy tools to make it happen, you know what I'm saying? With that being said, people buy from the people they trust. So when you build consistency, posting every day, one of the biggest mistakes now is one of the biggest mistake entrepreneurs make is trying to look successful before they are successful. So it's like, don't be over here buying fancy cars and putting on an interest and try to impress some people. Don't be buying expensive watches. Don't waste money on things that is not going to generate money. In the beginning, every dollar should either grow your business, improve your skill, or create more income. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, this is something almost nobody talks about, like for real. After you do all of that, you build your business credit immediately. And then you separate your business from your personal credit. You know why? Because now you put vendor account, because you're gonna build relationship with banks early. So the goal is not to make just a business. You're making a powerful, not just yourself. You're not making the business powerful, but you becoming powerful too with the business. So your first business doesn't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Most successful entrepreneurs were confused in the beginning too. So even if you fail, but you're gonna learn how to manage that money. You know what I'm saying? So people who stay consistent long enough, they really make it. So don't give up. And if you want more content about business, tax, credit, and financial growth, follow AGP. And if you're seriously about starting or fixing your financial future, just DM us and we got your back. Thank you for watching.